When should you buy more Bitcoin? Today, I'm going to give you a big secret, a big weapon, how to buy the Bitcoin. I'm going to analyze for long-term holder and short-term investor. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. In my last video, I've mentioned how to read the chart with a free indicator called MACD. Okay, so we are now on the monthly chart. So basically, this color, it means the energy of buying, energy of selling. The red one is the selling power. The green one is the buying power. The dark color means stronger power. The light color means less strong power. Okay. And you can see here, this is a monthly chart. Basically, in July, we close a green candle. Okay. We have a green candle here, and was supposed to be because it is the last day of July. So we are looking for a golden course here. You see the blue go across the red. What happened is we are under level 0. Okay, we are not above 0. So we are still waiting. So you can see the previous one. When we have the golden course, every time when we have a golden course, the Bitcoin basically go up so much. But this is a monthly chart. So for a long-term holder, is it good time to hold right now? Yes, because we flash a green bar here. Okay, we flash a green bar and a golden signal, a golden course. Basically, it's blue, go above the red. This called golden course. Okay, but what is you need to be careful is the level is below 0. Okay, and now I've mentioned we are on the time resistance and price resistance. So basically, they will have a little bit pull back. And let's look at the daily chart. Today, I'm so excited because I want to show you my secret weapon. How do I really trade to maximize my profits? Okay, so now you can trade with your strategy, but I'm going to show you my secret weapon. This is my own indicator. You can subscribe it. You can unsubscribe anytime. So basically, when they are above this blue line, it's quite sensitive indicator. So when we above, we hold or we buy here. We sell when we go below over this blue line, basically going down. Okay, so it's quite a good strategy. It's amazing. Every time when the price go above this blue line, we buy, we sell when they go below. This is amazing. Have you seen? We buy here, we sell around. Depends on your strategy. For long-term holder, you can still hold it when the trend is going upward. Okay, what is happen is when the blue line go down, it means we don't hold any stock. We don't hold any coins. Okay, so if you use this strategy, you can make crazy profit. You will buy at the low price here. Very safe, right? Very it's crazy safe. So if you have a strategy, you can also use your own strategy. Or what is powerful is you can pair up this indicator with your strategy to see the results. Okay, and now we see here we are going below this blue line. What happened is, you see here, the blue line is going downward. So we will have a pull back and we wait for this Bitcoin go above this blue line. This is one of our buying signal. Okay, so today is my sharing. I hope you enjoy it. So for long-term holder, you will look at the monthly chart. You can just look at the MACD. Okay, so it's easy chart. If you want to maximize your profits, which is you need this indicator because it's a very sensitive indicator, and basically they help you to buy almost the bottom. Okay, is it that crazy? I just love it because it take me really long time to do research on that. And I find this indicator is really helpful. So subscribe to it. And now I'm doing promotion. Usually you need to take the course and then you can subscribe it for free. But now I'm doing like, let you try the indicator. Use a simple strategy. Okay, so I see you in the next video. Bye.